Oh, it looks like kid stuff, like little toys. Look how crazy, one on top of the other.
See? Yeah, Hot Wheels. Wow.
Scale, that's crazy.
I'm taking this one out today. Just grab it like this.
Grab it, take it off, lower it.
Yeah, don't tell me you guys didn't play like that, man. I loved playing.
I've played a lot with my son in recent years.
Yeah, the gas station is a classic.
Right? Classic little gas station, right?
You used to have meetups at the small gas station by the roller wash, right? Look.
Oil change.
Oil change, right?
If you never played gas station, you haven't lived.
When I come here to relax, that's what I enjoy. I turn them on, move them, switch their spots, and take one out for a spin. That's why the garage was designed this way, right? Being able to take out anything like you saw, just take another one, and not having to move anything around, right? My idea when I bought this place was to choose which car to take out. It's wild. I come here, charge the battery, maybe have a drink, remove the cover, and go for a drive.
So the lifts really improved things, right, Padilla?
It got better, right? Because the ones over there where construction got halted, they just stay there.
Just leave them there, right?
Here it's just chilling, right, man? Because the engine's been ready for a long time, man. But every time I call the mechanic, Isaac, I let it out. Hey, man, next week we're going to lower it. Then I buy 2 cars. Hey, man, lock it up because 2 cars just arrived. I'm coming over for the inspection. That's it. Then the cars go for inspection. It's done. Next week, we're going to lower it. Then I go there with more. Bah, hey, man, move out of the way. Man, it's been stored there for over a year, waiting. It's been a long time, huh? It's been a long time, man. It's been stored there for over a year. But, man, the engine is ready. Everything is ready. He just has to meet up, you know? They just need to meet up. Yeah, their time hasn't come yet, man. Really cool.
Tell me about this here, man, dude.
Here's the thing. I think it's kind of a midlife crisis, you know? The guy wants to have a convertible. Then the guy has a midlife crisis at 50. He falls off a motorcycle, man, buys a convertible car, you know? What a crazy dude. That's it. Man, this is an Oldsmobile Cutlass F85 1963 convertible. Let's pull it out over there. Man, check out the details on this car. The V8 block is aluminum. That's crazy. The block is aluminum. The heads are aluminum. The whole engine is aluminum, man.
Wow.
That's incredible. In 63, right? You see how crazy that is, right? That's crazy. Yeah, it's a small V8. This engine is 210 cubic centimeters. So it's a really compact engine, but it's a high revving engine. You know, it revs really well. And everything is electric. The convertible top is electric. It's factory original. All the windows are electric, both the doors and the rear ones for the passengers. And it's brand new, brand new, brand new. This car, let's pull it outside, man. Just think about a car like this here. The condition is impressive. Oh.
The paint on this car is unbelievable. Hey friends, you at home watching this during dinner, in the living room, on TV, everyone watching. Think of an important classic car, man. It's an Oldsmobile.
And it's mid-size, considered mid-size in the United States. It's a small car. It's not full-size.
No, here it's small, right?
It's a car like Policar. That's right. It's a smaller car, right?
Well, you know, we're raffling off a 1969 Ford Galaxy LTD. The campaign is live. We're selling the numbers for this big raffle to you. There's a QR code on the screen. There's also a link in the description and in the first comment as well. We're moving fast with this so we can deliver the Galaxy to you as soon as possible. And there are new improvements coming for the car so we can give you the best Galaxy ever raffled in Brazil. Look.
When the top goes down, the price goes up. by itself, alone. This one is electric. The Galaxy's was electro-hydraulic. This one is just electric. If you want it to go faster, you give it more gas and the voltage increases, right? Look how cool that is, man. There's the cover. Let's close it now. Fancy, huh? Check out the details on this car, man. All the windows are electric. Look, see? Check out the rear one too. Look. All of them, every single one right there. Look at the line. Another cool thing, the gear shift is made of steel. Check out the interior of this car, right? Man, it's like new. Look at the interior of this car. Check out the detail on the gear selector. Look at that. And look here, reverse is down here. It's the opposite, not the traditional one with park and neutral. D, reverse drive. And 2 as well, right? There it's not. Look, it's reverse. Yeah, and then you start shifting up the gears. Wow, that's true. How did those guys manage to change something that was so standardized? Well, I think it's that thing about wanting to be different, you know, back then. Wow, that's fantastic, huh? These separate seats, right? Beautiful, beautiful, right, man? The separate seats. This car is charming, man. Charming, sir. Really charming. Right, the word for this car is charming. Charming, right? Charm. The car's paint, man, has no flaws. Where did you find this car here? Man, this car was in Curitiba. It had been in a private collection for many years. It has its original owner's manual, this car. And it came with some books. I'll even show you here. This is the finish. It came with photos from when it still had yellow plates. So from the owners next to him, right? And now let me show you a really cool thing about this car. Look what it was. I'll show you the history. Look, the original is still here. Check this out. It's still on paper. Here I put it in because there was no control at all, you know. I get scared because I use my cars, right? Of course. And then when the dashboard light comes on, it shouldn't say hot, right? It should say you're screwed, right? Something like that. When it gets hot, it's because everything's already broken. Everything's already broken. Look how crazy this is. I'm going to show you guys. No, the manual for operating the convertible top. The convertible top. Here's its manual. But check this out. Man, it has the whole history. I started it, drove it, cleaned it. I topped off the water, checked the oil. January 24, 2012, I started it, drove it. January 2012, I started it, drove it, cleaned it. It stayed in the sun until 4:30 p.m. The diary, it's the car's diary today. Today, my owner took me to the bakery. They spoke badly about me, but it's because they don't really know me. Today, I made my owner look bad. I broke down in a certain place, you know. Today, I broke down on the overpass and all. Man, everything, look, the glass, the rear, the engine skidding, the left side. Then the guy went there, it worked, he moved it, got the dust off. Look at this, man, that's crazy. I drove it in the yard. The car's whole life is right here. There are 2 books like this. This is really crazy. There are 2 books like this, man, 2 journals. Yeah, 2 journals. Dear Diary, today I went, I don't know where. Today I don't, do you think we're crazy? This guy is really crazy. Crazier than us, man. This guy is really crazy. The car has a diary, but the car had an owner, huh? It did.
It had an owner. Look how far this goes.
It had an owner. The car had an owner.
Imagine how happy the guy must be to drive this and keep all this history.
Yeah, and then the guy, I think he had a lot of cars, you know.
So he wouldn't get lost.
Right, so he wouldn't get lost, which makes sense. Later, he wanted to downsize and rearrange his collection, giving me the chance to get this car. The car had the original factory paint, and he himself, the owner, did it where his collection was. He repainted the car, you know.
Wow, what a different rear end.
Different, right?
What a different rear end. No, you don't see this around here.
It's a totally different car because it's a unibody car, V8 aluminum block, right? Automatic transmission, all electric windows, and pay attention, it's got 13-inch rims.
I saw it, man. It's tiny, right?
Man, it's got 13-inch rims.
It's really small, so it's not worth messing with, right?
Man, for now I'm leaving it like this, but I already feel like putting a 350 V8 in it.
No, Padilla, stop.
It was already 8.
You're going to write in the diary. Imagine doing it.
Dear diary, today I ripped his heart out. His heart was weak, so he got a new one.
Today is transplant day.
Baby, I just called for them now, look.
That's cool.
Huh? The little antennas actually go here, see? They go on both sides, right? Both sides, yeah, they go on both sides. They stand up here with depth.
Outside?
Not this one. I got it here in Brazil. Yeah, they are, But the condition of the upholstery, man, in this car, dude, wow.
Good Lord, the seats are perfectly straight.
Look, no, man, it's impressive.
These metal details on the seat are beautiful.
It's beautiful, right? This here, man, these individual seats have a lot of charm, right?
It's really cool.
I went out with the kids, right? My wife fell in love with the car. She thought it was the most beautiful thing. My daughter was fine, but my son felt weird. When I asked if he was embarrassed, he said, everyone is looking at me. With the convertible top down, he got a bit shy. Everyone was watching, driving in the convertible.
That's just how convertibles are.
Exactly.
Right? Like John Kennedy, that's it.
Yeah, for them it's not a good reference because I took them there to Dallas and they saw what happened, right? Oh my God, so it's not a good one. Man, these kids know it's not.
Because you become very vulnerable.
Right? Yes, these kids are so lucky that I took them to Detroit so they could see the car that Kennedy was assassinated in because it's there at the Ford Museum, the Lincoln, right? Yeah, the Lincoln. Yeah, Lincoln. And then we went to Dallas.
To where it happened.
Where it happened. And when you're at the place, you look at the building where the shooter fired from, there's a YouTube camera filming you live. Then you open YouTube and you see the shooter's point of view. In Dallas?
That's a lie. Wow, look how crazy that is.
Really cool, man. Americans aren't ashamed to make money, right, man? Anything that moves to make dollars, right? They'll do it. Exactly.
Exactly.
But look, man. The instruments of kill.
That's it. What a good car, man, dude.
Look at the condition of the car, man. Look at the condition of the car.
This is such a great car.
Man, look at the door openings, the corners, man. The car has no flaws, man.
Really?
The car has no flaws, The car is really cool.
Man, how much is it worth, Padilla? More or less?
I don't know. Maybe around 300, 320, I think it's in that price range because, well, it's a convertible car, right? V8. In that condition, it's not cheap in the US either, right?
It really shouldn't be.
Even after importing it here, It's a really beautiful color setup, right? Really beautiful. This setup of his, this wine color with the top kind of cream colored, right? With this interior leaning more towards a reddish wine, right? Yeah, really. It's a combination of very good taste, right?
Really a unique color, beautiful, a well-maintained car, well-painted, well-preserved.
Just imagine how amazing it would be, man, to drive this on the BR 116 with those plane trees.
How amazing.
Then you're going to drive, man.
Yeah, guys, we're in Serra Gaúcha. I've been driving around a lot these days. Look, driving an old car around here is really nice, man. A lot of uphill, a lot of mountains, some stretches of good asphalt. This thing must glide. It's a beast.
Nice, man. It's a really, really cool car to drive. It came with BF Goodrich tires, white wall from back in the day. Wow. But the tires were like this, look, falling apart. Hard as a rock, right? Tires like they were made of wood. Wow, that's not going to work. I still managed to get these, which are 195, 75, 13 with the original white wall. Check it out. I still managed to get these tires and put them on.
That's cool.
I didn't want to mess with it. For now, even the original set will stay as is. It looks good. You can take it to show at the Expo Classic. It looks good. Take the car out for a spin. Show it off.
It's really nice to show off, right, man? At the events here in the South, people are really going to like it.
Yeah. So for now, since the car is really nice to drive, it's going to stay like this, all original. Later, if I don't sell it, then I'll think about whether I'm going to customize it or not, right?
We're so used to seeing the Cutlasses from the 70s, right? Yeah. So this one ends up being something really different.
And I liked it because since it's a mid-size, it's about the same size as the El Camino. It's a car that's much easier for you to use on a regular basis. It's not as big as the Galaxy or the Cadillac, right? So for everyday use, like taking the kids to school, coming back, going to the market, whatever you need, maneuvering, parking, the car is really easy to drive, right? The steering is very light, really light, super light, right? Yeah, super light. The car turns really well. It has a good set of wheels, Oh, that's cool. Man, I really like the car, man.
It's really different, very beautiful.
No, and then when you drive it with the top down and the windows up, you get those chrome trims, right? All of them showing. That's it. It's really cool to see it on the road, you know? Yeah.
It must be, really.
It just makes you want to add wheels, lower it, and give it a great stance.
I'll tell you, it would look nice, huh? Yeah, it would look nice.
I already asked the AI. I left it there. It's on GPT. Adjust the height.
Oh my, Padilla's AI is already a troublemaker, yes.
It already knows what to do. But this one is cool, man. I had bought a Galaxy 64 because I wanted a convertible. I never had a convertible car. Like, I never really got into convertibles. And then, out of nowhere, I felt like it. I bought the Galaxy, but in the end, the Galaxy was gone. And then this one showed up, and I was like, no, now I'm going to get this one. I'm going to keep this one for a while. This one will be gone soon, and I'll get another convertible. I always want to keep at least one in the garage, you know? Whether it's to sell or just to enjoy, I'm going to keep a convertible around here.
At a time.
Yeah, it's cool because when you start working with this type of car, people start calling you. So they've already offered me others.
Soon you even start getting a new audience.
Exactly. Look how cool that is. Exactly. And the convertible car, for those who want to dedicate themselves, you have no idea how many calls I get to do events.
Wow.
To rent for bridal business, to take the bride to the church.
That's true.
For advertising campaign photos.
That's true.
Music video, you know. So, well, these kinds of cars, there's a big demand for that. But I don't have time to do it. Once in a while, when it fits with the tow truck schedule, I even do the rental, right? Because I also do rentals. Then I do the rental and the guy from the flatbed goes along. He takes care of it during the process, right? So he delivers and picks it up. Then I even do it, right? But like church, weddings, those things I don't do, man. What if it breaks down on the way? The bride's big night is ruined, really.
Night.
She already starts smelling, right? Then you go in, you accidentally dirty the dress because you got your hands dirty trying to free up the carburetor needle.
And it happens, huh?
With an old car, you don't get any warning, right? No, man, an old car doesn't give you any warning.
Pretty cool. A hell of a lot of care for the cars. Look at the shine on that.